Hi guys, today I will be using this weird slime app. Well, what's for real? Let's murder all this stuff. Please work. Super Slime freaking simulator. Okay. Milky. Who likes milky slime? Why is milky slime a thing? Why is slime a thing? I don't really like slime. Just satisfying to watch because it doesn't calm me down. It's just cool. Let's go for a green Sonic slime. Why was there a glitch? There's a glitch shine. You see the glitchy shine things? Jelly. What is this? This looks gross. Sonic slime. Wait a second. Our next target is Fox. Okay. What is this? It's gross. What is this? This is so satisfying. Okay. What is that? It looks like tin foil. I like this. If I ever make a slime, it's gonna look like this. I think slime has been a thing for a year. The variety of colors I choose. Just gonna close my eyes and pick. Oh, it's a dark blue. Let's go make our fox slime. Ooh, it's kind of rainbowy. Heart outline. Fox slime. Share. Okay, be right back. Beautiful. It's so beautiful. This again. Actually, open and close the app again. Okay. Pink slime is next. Let's do this. This is beautiful. What kind of slime would I be? Crunchy slime. Ooh. This doesn't look very crunchy to me. It's just watery. This is so stupid. Ooh. This one actually changed when I mixed it. Okay, I wonder which color this could be. It was a hard choice on deciding which slime would be pink slime. I know myself a lot, and I would like glitter in my slime. I don't know why I'm putting a happy face on all this. I like how I never really actually played with the slime. Okay, bye again. I guess we're making flower slime next. I'm going to play with this beautiful pink slime, which is now turning into black slime. This is weird. I don't like it. Okay. Next is flower slime. Fluffy. Blue. Light blue. Well, that the thing I could think of when thinking of flower. Oh. Okay. Like. What? Okay. We're going to have to restart the flower slime. Finally, we're making a flower slime. Okay, just be made, Mr. Flower Slime. Oh! Be made, Mr. Slime. Oh, now we're putting Orbeez in her slime because it won't let me put flowers. You know I'm good. Okay, this is probably gonna be the last slime. It's waffle slime. What is this? Fair, and I don't need your help. Oh my gosh. I didn't know waffle slime lagged a bunch. Waffle slime is yellow. Azrael waffle slime because waffle is Azrael. Check roleplay. Okay. I don't know why I didn't have the smiley face. Share it. Here we have our waffle slime. So that's all for today. Look at all the slime we made today. We made 5 slimes. You must be tired of watching me make slimes, right? Well, today's your lucky day.